So one of my new customer brought this, and he said that he built this computer, but nothing is working. So I'm going to troubleshoot to see when I push the power button, nothing coming online, even power is not spinning. So let's see what is the problem. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug all the cables. I have to see things through my eyes and where these are going and what these are doing. So first, let's put this side here, and this is the first thing is wrong. No, maybe not wrong. We'll come there at just a moment. I need to reorganize the cable because it's confusing for me. So this is his motherboard. Should be his GPU. This is going wrong way anyway. From here. This is from USB-C. HDD. This is USB. Audio. This is audio. This is CPU. This is new. Fucking that happened. But it's a white. So I hope I find this for fan. This is also for fan. Let's see. This might not be able to reach. This thing at bottom. I need to check this cable. Is this really CPU cable or is it just a ABC cable? This is CPU. Can we go? I don't know. Put the wiring this side. Everything done. I wanna test this first. I'm gonna test just basic cabling first. Then I can put all of this fancy stuff that he has. CPU, I don't need it. But now I do need this. It's working. So I'm going to screw the what is called the power supply. So I have better stability and I can do the zip tie and all swag later. I need to find out. Oh, you know what? I made a mistake. I need to install one of these cable, and I need to get that back again. I should screw that a little later because I do have to see the problem troubleshoot. So I'm going to just screw two of those. The reason I put this here is for, so I'm going to put two, not all four. The reason I put this here, I have no idea right now where this is going, but I think this is for the RGB. So I'm going to connect this here, put it right now. How it was, hold it. I believe he have a NVMe. He didn't give me any hard drive putting. And I need to find out this, if there is one on the bottom side. There is one there. I'm going to put it right through here. Those are the RGB cable. So I need to make sure that I am putting it on right place before I do all those. Let's see now where we at on this. So if you see this now, it's on. So I'm going to see system detect. You have installed CX3 like to enable. Yes. Yep. Why? And I will go ahead install Windows 11. Hi, yes, so I am looking at your computer, working on it. I didn't see any hard drive. Do you have a hard drive or you don't? So after I talked to customer, he told me that there was a 3-slot the NVMe, and one was right under the GPU. So I took the GPU out and verified there was a hard drive, NVMe hard drive, and then I start installing. As you can see on the screen now, installation process is started, and also you see me with my phone actually taking a video. I'm taking video for TikTok to upload there. So yeah, that was it, and it worked pretty good.